The engines on the island of Sodor are busy. Every day they run up and down the track, carting across the island to really use it. But they never forget the legend of the lady. When the engines went back to Tidmar's ship after a day of work, they started talking about the lady.
Do you remember Lady? She's beautiful and wise.
She never came back after that day.
Good news for you all. She's coming back tomorrow. Do you mean Lady?
Really?
Of course. Hooray!
Stupid engines. She has escaped me twice, but not this time. Come on, Splotch!
We don't want to do any bad things anymore.
Don't, I'll destroy you too. Right, Pinchy?
Huh?
Destroy?
Did you say
destroy?
The
D
D
word,
like
hurt. Yeah, destroy. Oh, so you do, Diesel?
Happy to help.
Good. Now it's time for our party, Pinchy.
Yeah, it's party time.
Lady, I really missed you. I haven't met you for 14 years. After you left, all the engines were so sad, and for a week we kept on making mistakes. Really? I didn't know that I'm so important to you all. Now I promise you, Thomas, I'll come back once a month, okay? Great, but no more buts, Thomas. There are work to do. You can see, Lady has came back than you, Thomas. Let's show her around and bring her to Knapford at night. There will be a welcome party for her. Remember, don't bring her too far as she doesn't have a bunker and... But Thomas had already wished away swiftly with Lady. Brings Lady to the quarry. The dogs. The wolf. Lady had already used up half of her coal, but Thomas didn't think that's enough.
The steamers. She'll be happy to meet Victor.
Thomas and Lady was puffing along the track. Suddenly, Thomas heard Diesel.
Diesel is coming. What should I do? Diesel is too harmful to you, Lady. Let's go through the siding.
So they did. They puffed through the siding just in time, and Diesel didn't see them. What are we doing now? Let's puff the Knapford station directly.
Let's go to the pond and see some ducks.
They got to the point. Thomas saw Slatter and Dodge. They had also done something bad to them. Now Thomas is very scared.
Lady, let's reverse. We must run away because Splatter and Dodge are there.
Now Lady is really running out of coal. I'm really running out of coal. Please, just puff the Knapford station.
We still haven't gone to Dimmock and seen the other engines yet.
They had got to Tidmouth, but they saw Diesel 10. He was puffing towards them. Thomas hid, but Lady didn't hide because she couldn't hide. Her Lady has no more coal to use. This was very worrying. Thomas twisted and raised the ship lay behind the line of trucks, just in time. Diesel 10 luckily cannot see them. Thomas still feel bad.
Just want to bring you fun, but instead, I have made you used up all your coal. And now you can't go to your welcome party.
It's pretty a wise engine. She smiles slightly. Don't give up. There's always hope. Thomas thought, and at last...
Ah, I can stretch you all the way to Knapford.
So, Thomas pushed Lady all the way back to Knapford. Lady was heavy, but he worked hard. It didn't bring Lady to see any signs of pups slowly along the track. Soldier is beautiful. Thomas is surprised. He didn't know that was beautiful. On the way, Thomas and Lady listened to the birds sing, then the sound of the winds and leaves. They arrived at Knapford. All the engines cheered when they puffed into the station.
Lady, we're very happy to see you. May I now proudly announce that the welcome party now begins.
The engines tooted and hooted as the fireworks were on display. All of them couldn't disagree that it was the best welcome party ever.
On the rail. Oh!
Oh no, we have run out of fuel.
Me too.
Oh my God! We're in the Whistling Woods, and it's dark already. What are we going to do, boss?
Oh well, it's the next time of the year for a camp.